Hey, I'm ready to assemble these 5.7 Hemi heads. These new valves finally showed up. They got bent because the valve seats fell out of this head. So I installed all new seats, did a 3-angle valve job, and I surfaced them. Here's that first bad spot, it's clean. And then one more coming up. There you go, it's nice and flat now. Hey everybody, happy Monday, how we doing? Hey, let me get these heads assembled. I'll be reusing the old valve springs. I tested them at inch 988 and they tested 117 to 120 pounds. And I got all brand new Viton valve seals going on them. And I'll be using the factory shims, they're nice and hard. I've also checked the installed height with my Fowler stem height gauge. I'll show you how that works. Let me show you on this end exhaust here. So the valve goes in, I just slide the gauge down here to where the spring seat is, and this reads 2 inches 62 thousandths. That spec on the exhaust is 2 inches 258 thousandths to 2 inches 263 thousandths. Pretty tight spec. The intakes is 253 to 258. I don't know why the tolerances are so tight, but they're all within the spec now. I only had to butt 3 of the exhausts and none of the intakes because I installed seats in them and they're all at the proper height already. Okay, now I'm going to oil them up. Okay, now I'm going to put the shims and seals on. I put a little oil on the spring pad so the shim doesn't fall off. And a dab on top of the valve. Okay, make sure they're all down and not cocked. These all look pretty good. Hey, if you guys do head work, get yourself a pair of these seal pliers. I got them from Snap on their Blue Point. You can use a socket on these. Just be careful you don't rip that rubber. Let me get them assembled now. Hey, I forgot to mention, set them on cardboard. Don't set them down on that fresh surface. You'll scratch them. There you go, all assembled and ready for the customer. Here's a look from the other side. There you go. Heads came out great. Hey, I did vacuum test them. All the valves are sealing. Hey, thanks for coming along, you guys. You guys come back and see me again. I hope you guys have a nice evening, and we'll see you next time. Be nice to each other. I'll point this at you. Bye.